Hi, everybody. It's Tereese. I am back with a video, a little haul video. Um, I have not been crafting at all. I have been working um, and I just haven't had a chance to do anything. Um, you probably have seen. Um, I haven't done anything this week. Um, Other than I did a little shopping today and then last week. Um, and I'm trying this little eye mask. Um, I'm I'm not one for masks, but I just wanted to try this out. I got that at the the Dollar Tree. Um, so it's a collective haul. I went to Hobby Lobby. As you can see here, I was getting ready to do my cards for Valentine's Day, and I did not get to them. Okay, so what I got at Dollar Tree first. Let's do Dollar Tree first, because um, what did I get at Dollar Tree? This is from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I got this. Um, it's a shopping list notepad. I love this. It was $1.25. I thought that was cute. And then I found these that said love. I thought that would be great to put on a card since I haven't made them. I found these shakers, but these were not on sale. These were not, this wasn't on sale. And then I found these white lace. I thought these were really pretty. Then, oh, this is from somebody. And then I think that's it for Dollar Tree. Oh, and I got these. I got these butterflies, these gold butterflies. I did find the silver, but I didn't pick them up. I just picked the gold. And you used to get 2 sheets, one on each side, but now they only give you one. So that was my Dollar Tree haul, and along with this, which I'm wearing right now. I'm not going to show you what I look like because it looks funny. So last week I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up this bottle applicators. You get 4 of them for $2.29. I used to have some of these, but they, I don't know, the glue, these are, I don't know if these are bigger. These are 0.68 ounces. I don't know. I'm going to try these out for glue. So I bought that. And then I bought these stickers. I think they were 40% off. And it goes with this paper that I finally found at Hobby Lobby. And I was going to do my some cards with these stickers and with this paper. I got some, some red cardstock that I was low on. And then this is, I think I'm going to do something with this paper for, what is that thing called? St. Patrick's Day. Okay, so that was last week's Hobby Lobby haul. Put that down there. Okay, today I went to Hobby Lobby because like I said, I was busy all week. I couldn't make anything. I did find these little spring. I think, yeah, they're the spring, and they are 40% off. So I found these wooden, I think they're veneers, wooden bows. I found these were 50% off. Beads and Company, or Bead Design Co. So I found these ones. I thought these were cute. And then the spring section, they had these cherries and cherry bling. And I thought these were so adorable, and they were 40% off. And then I found some daisy flowers, mini daisies. I got 2 packs of that. This would be pretty on a spring card. And then I don't know who I watched, but they were showing these rubber, I think these are rubber beads. And I love bears. So these were 50% off this week. And I just had to have her. They're so cute. And the bead on both sides has the face of the bear. Isn't that adorable? So I bought 2 of those. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I don't know if I'm going to make some dangles, with these bears. I can make charms out of them. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Or I think I do have a pen that my friend Nada gave me. Maybe I could change this. Maybe not. I don't think so, because I think she glued them all on. But I was thinking you could definitely do that with a beaded pen. But I think I'm just going to make cute little charms with these. They're so good. They're so fun. So yeah, that is my haul. I do want to share a card. I got a Valentine's Day card from Gina, who is Perfectly Imperfect Junk Journals. Oh my gosh, Gina, thank you so much. Look how pretty this card is. And then attached to it was this little envelope with a pocket full of hearts. So she gave me some of these little bitty hearts in there. Isn't that cute? That was cute. It was like this. It was kind of in the envelope. And then she has sent me a cute little message. Just wanted to send you a quick note to wish you and your loved ones a happy Valentine's Day. I appreciate you and your channel, and I hope you have a wonderful day of love. Thank you so much, Gina, for thinking of me. That was very, very sweet. And I've been bad this year for Valentine's Day. So I just want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I hope I'll be crafting this weekend. I have Monday off, so I am going to catch up with some videos, and going to catch up with some crafting, and yeah. So I want to thank everybody for watching and commenting and leaving some thumbs up. I love it, and I appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Bye.